What's up, guys? If you're in Green Rhino Academy already and you're seeing this video, yeah, you know what it's all about. It's all about building a business and getting it done right, and not wasting a lot of time trying to navigate through what you should or should not do, because we got the straightforward blueprint for you with Green Rhino Academy, including how to get that phone to ring. Okay, so I have some exciting news. I love to make sure I have the most valuable source when it comes to building your carpet cleaning business, and I really lose sleep at night if I don't feel that I can provide the value, all right, that you need as an entrepreneur to build your business. So recently I just partnered up with Matt from Carpet Cleaner Ads, and what he's going to do is offer you an alternative. So we go through the course and I teach you how to build your own website, right? I teach you how to do the SEO on there. Okay, as you keep going through, I teach you how to build your Google ad, right? And how to get that phone ring. But Google Ads is still not easy. I teach you, but things change, okay? And depending on what area you live in, the competition, all right, there's a lot of factors that come in play, including your landing page, right? The conversions that come out of that landing page. All right, there's things that professionals do, and this is what they do for a living, that makes them so valuable for new business owners to succeed or current businesses to expand. So that's where Matt comes into play. All right. So Matt's going to do this for you. He's going to build your website. All right. And it's going to be a high converting website for free. Free? Yeah, that's free. He's also going to do SEO on your website. That way you pop up a lot quicker. And he has tricks of the trade to help you rank higher in that local organic search. Okay? So yeah, this is the stuff that seasoned pros know how to do. On top of that, he will build you Google ad that is specifically made for carpet cleaners. Okay? He will run that ad and manage that ad for you, nurture that ad, because guys, you can build the ad, but you need to be able to nurture that ad. And as that ad keeps running, it gets better and better and better. And it dials in your client, the specific client you're looking for, right? The client that's most willing to book with you. Okay, so that's what nurturing does. Okay, what he's also going to do is build you a Facebook ad. Okay, so you're going to get your Google ads, you're going to get your Facebook ads, you're going to get a free website. Okay, you're going to not only get that free website, you're going to own the website. Because I know that there's other companies that teach this and they sell equipment. Basically, their main thing is to sell equipment and then offer these other services, right? But when you get a website through them, your website is with them. So you're stuck. That means if you quit them, you lose your website. Okay, everything's gone. It's the way of them locking you in. No, you get your own website and you keep it with Matt. So you're going to have your own login. You're going to have control of that website. All right. All he's going to do is create it for you, manage it for you, and help your business move up in the SEO rankings. All right. Now he has worked with many other carpet cleaning companies with awesome reviews on his service, and he's doing a great job. And I feel like I'm lucky to be able to partner up with him, because it takes more off my plate, and that way I can give you a better product by working with him. Okay, So we're getting professional. Okay, so I said free website, but there is a cost. All right, there's a monthly cost to it. So go ahead and check it out. I'm going to put a link down below, and it's going to go through everything for you. It's going to tell you how much that monthly cost for him to manage and do all that stuff. By the way, there's no contracts. Okay. So whatever your monthly cost is, and say if it's not working out for you, I mean, you can just quit it, right? And by the way, there's no setup cost. And a lot of companies, they'll charge a setup fee to manage your Google ad, to build the Google ad for you. And then what they charge for the monthly fee on top of your ad spend. So you're not going to find a better service out there, especially for the price that Matt's offering it, right? Because he knows what it is like to be a carpet cleaner building his own business, because he has built one, right? And sold it. And now he's doing this because he knows how to get the wheels moving for other people too. So experience, right? So you're just not getting a guy from another industry to build your ad. He knows what works for this industry. So when it comes to that management spend that you're going to have to pay a company like him, his or any other company out there, don't let that number get in your way, because you got to think about it this way. That management cost, it's only going to be 1 to 2 jobs a month. Now there's guys in there that are getting 200 leads, right? So say you just booked 15 jobs that month. Say just 15 jobs that month, right? 1 to 2 jobs going to pay for that. The rest is profit. All right, it's for you. Have a good time. Listen, let's just get serious right now. Number 1, you got to build a website. Why not have somebody build it for you for free? Number 2, you have to advertise. You have to. There's no way you're getting around it, guys. You have to advertise. And the main way these top guys in this industry that you see are very successful, they're running ads. They're running Google ads. They're running Facebook ads. Okay? Mainly Google ads. And this is something you have to do. Okay? And the majority of people that try to run their ads on their own end up paying another company to do it for them. And then the wheels start turning, and the ball starts rolling, and they just start growing as a company. So this is something you have to do anyway. Right? So why not have Matt with Carpet Cleaner Ads do all this for you, and you just answer the phone and do the work. All right? Makes sense, right? I mean, this is what you're going to have to do anyway. I'm just letting you know about it right now. If you're going through the course right now and you're into those parts, okay, that section of the course, I'm just letting you know right now this is your option. And the reality is, if you go through the whole thing, you may just end up hiring somebody anyway to do this for you. And it's going to be twice the amount of what Matt is charging. Okay? Keep that in mind. All right, guys. So this is your option. All right? So if you're going through the course right now, congratulations. You're moving right along. And for the guys that maybe already built their business or that are still struggling to get that phone to ring, well, this is an option for you too. Just make sure you let them know Green Rhino sent you. Okay? And if you're a Green Rhino Academy student, let them know you're a Green Rhino Academy student. All right? And yeah, you can get the red carpet treatment. All right? See you in the next one.